Hello, hello. Alright, we're gonna do a little quick one today. Let's do this. Yes, alright, what we have here is some young jackfruit. And we have our oyster mushroom. Gonna be using some jerk sauce. Quick and easy thing, you know. Mash up the jackfruit, have that in the pan. You stir that up, get some of your jerk sauce on there, and you just cook that up. I'm gonna do some rice today. Quick and easy rice, quick time. Rice is done. You know how it goes. Rice easy to cook. And we have everything is there bubbling up. Rice almost done. Rice is done now. And jackfruit is almost done. Got that bubbling up, looking nice there. Just give it a bit of stir. Got it going. Just keep checking it to make sure it's nice and tender. So you don't want to be having it so tough. So it'll take a little while, probably about 20 minutes, and it's good to go. Just keep an eye on it at all time. Keep checking it, and we're good to go. After that, I will put some like onions on there, season it up. I've already got the jerk sauce on it, so that's got quite a lot of seasoning on there. So I'll just put some onion in afterwards. And that is good to go. I'll just have some veg, any veg, put to that, steam that up. See, jackfruit is almost done because it's nice and brown. You know, it's ready to go. That's that. I'm frying up our oyster mushroom there. Steamed veg is ready to go, and that's it. Ready to eat. Lovely. I use the rice because literally I run out of